Ahoj, jsem Kateřina and welcome to my From Zero to A1 course in Czech. In this course, I have a very simple vision and mission: to help each and every motivated foreigner in the Czech Republic go from knowing absolutely zero about the Czech language all the way to reaching that first level A1 milestone. For those that don't know, A1 is the first landmark that everyone learning Czech should strive to achieve. It is that level where you can understand simple sentences, get involved in basic conversations, and start expressing your opinions and ideas. And it is precisely this level where the first aha spark typically happens and you just start getting the language. And the best part about this course, not only that I use modern conversational method and evenly strive to develop your listening, reading, writing, and also speaking skills, but all of the video lessons from this course are completely free and they are available to you here on YouTube. Every video comes with a printable exercise sheet where you can practice what I'm teaching in the videos. It also comes with an online vocabulary course with a mobile app where you can practice and memorize all of the new words you learn along the way. And that all is available for completely free. For those of you who want extra assistance, extra exercises, one-to-one support directly from me, or for those of you who simply really love the lessons and would like to support me and this channel, I have a Patreon account just for that. There you can sponsor my channel, help me continue making these lessons, and get special perks in return. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in the first lesson right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel right here. And while you are in it, find me on Facebook and Instagram to stay in touch. Keep learning, keep studying, and I will see you in the first lesson.